Story Nest.
Leo the lion cub, with his fluffy golden fur and playful paws, bounced through the sun-dappled undergrowth of the whispering woods. Tilly the tortoise, her ancient shell adorned with moss and tiny wildflowers, followed at a steady, deliberate pace. Their quest had begun that morning, fueled by tales of the Enchanted Waterfall, a cascade said to shimmer with all the colors of the rainbow and possess waters that could grant the heart's truest wish. Deeper into the woods they ventured, where sunlight filtered through a canopy of emerald leaves, painting shifting patterns on the forest floor. Leo, easily distracted by fluttering butterflies and chattering squirrels, would often scamper ahead, only to realize Tilly was far behind, her wise eyes patiently observing the intricate world around her. "Come on, Tilly," Leo would call, his voice echoing softly through the trees. "We need to find the waterfall before sunset." They crossed babbling brooks where tiny silver fish darted amongst smooth, colorful stones. Leo would splash playfully in the cool water, while Tilly carefully navigated the slippery rocks with her sturdy claws. Once they encountered a family of deer grazing peacefully in a meadow bathed in golden light. The deer looked up with gentle curiosity as Leo and Tilly passed, then continued their quiet meal. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting long shadows through the trees, they heard a faint, melodious sound. It grew louder as they continued, a soft, tinkling music that seemed to hang in the air. Following the enchanting melody, they finally arrived at a hidden clearing. There, cascading down moss-covered rocks into a crystal-clear pool, was the Enchanted Waterfall. Its waters shimmered with vibrant hues of red, blue, green, and gold, just as the legends described. Leo gazed in awe at the magical sight, while Tilly blinked slowly, a knowing look in her ancient eyes. They had reached their destination, their journey through the whispering woods finally complete.